Hi everyone! Today we're making a delicious traditional Mennonite, maybe Russian, maybe German treat called Krebli. It's a simple yet satisfying pastry that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. For ingredients we will need flour, baking powder, salt, sour cream, eggs, sugar and vanilla extract. You can pause the video and see the exact amount on the screen. We'll start by mixing the wet ingredients: eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, salt and sour cream. In a separate bowl, we'll combine the dry ingredients, flour and baking powder. Then, we'll gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until combined. Once the dough is formed, we'll wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest for 20 minutes. 20 minutes after. After resting, we'll roll out the dough in a floured surface to about 1/4 inch thickness. In metric it would be half a centimeter, maybe 4 millimeters thick. Then we'll cut the dough into squares or rhombuses and make a small slit in the center of each square or rhombus. The dough is very tender and doesn't stick to the surface due to the flour. To ensure a clean cut, support the dough with your fingers on both sides of the knife. Add a sufficient amount of your preferred oil to the preheated pan, ensuring it covers the bottom to depth of about 2 centimeters. Please note that the initial shaping of the Krebli was not captured in the beginning of the video. For a visual demonstration, please skip to the 3-minute mark. Repeat this process until all the dough is used, adjusting the frying time to achieve your desired level of browning. I personally prefer them in a range of golden brown. Mennonite cooking has its roots in European traditions, particularly German and Swiss. Over time, these traditions have been adapted to suit the needs and resources of Mennonite communities around the world. The exact origin of this recipe is unknown, but it has been passed down through generations of my German-Russian family. It's truly remarkable how these traditions have been preserved across generations, even as families migrated to different countries. Now you can observe the full demonstration of Krebli making. I assure you, friends, once you try this Krebli, you'll want more. You can enjoy this Krebli with sour cream, honey, syrup, or jam. Personally, I prefer a combination of honey and sour cream. Of course, you can also enjoy this Krebli on their own as a simple snack. There is a particular soup that complements Krebli very well, and it's often prepared alongside it. We'll explore that recipe in a future video. But for now, try this Krebli and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. These Krebli are easy to prepare, quick to cook, and taste fantastic. Enjoy! I honestly even don't know how should I call them, Russian or German or Russian-German, because in our culture there are some Germans that moved to Russia probably 200 years ago. They still kept this recipe, they still kept doing what we call Krebli or Krebli. Some people call them Russian ones, some people call them German. So what I call them, they tasty.